Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it helps someone else if they're going through these problems as well. So the one that I'm going to be doing today is problem number 2011, final value of variable after performing operations. So I'm just going to read it out. So there is a programming language with only 4 operations and one variable x. Plus plus x and x plus plus increments the value of x by 1, and minus minus x and x minus minus decrements x by 1, and x is initially 0. So if you start with 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, then plus 1 is back to 0, and then plus 1 again is 1. So the output is 1. And then if we do 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3. Constraints, the length of the operations is between 1 and 100. And the operation will be this, or this, or this, or this. So, I'm going to switch over to my notes. Ideas, just off the top of my head. I think what we could do is, so it's like plus plus x or x plus plus. So I think we check first or last a character. That will be the operation. So we've got like a this here or this here. That's going to be the operation. If it's a plus, increment x by 1. If it's a minus, decrement by 1. Return x. So we're gonna loop, and this is gonna be looping through all the operations. Then here. So I'm gonna put this into my LeetCode IDE and just comment it out. So for operation and operations, if operation 0 is equal to minus, or operation minus 1 is equal to minus, we're going to do x. Is it a capital X? I think it's a capital X. X minus equal 1, so decrement by 1. Otherwise, x plus equals 1. Then we're going to return x. So if I hit run, hopefully it should work. There's no variable, apparently. X is equal to 0. Okay, so those passed. Gonna submit. There we go, passed all the test cases. So, thank you very much for watching that video. I hope this was useful to you in some way if you're going through these problems, just to see someone else's thought process behind attempting to solve one. If you have any other solutions that were maybe a bit more efficient, please let me know. I love discussing these problems, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.